In modern warfare, dominance is no longer decided by numbers. It is decided by speed, reach, and reaction time. This is the SR-72, known as the Son of Blackbird, a hypersonic aircraft concept that could redefine how the United States controls the skies and the globe. Let's explore exactly what makes the SR-72 so revolutionary, feature by feature. Feature 1. Hypersonic speed, Mach 6 and beyond. The SR-72 is designed to fly at Mach 6 or faster, which is over 4,600 miles per hour. That is more than twice the speed of the SR-71 Blackbird and far beyond any modern fighter jet. At this velocity, the aircraft covers enormous distances in minutes. Speed is no longer just performance, it becomes pure survival. Feature 2. Continental to continental in minutes. At Mach 6, the SR-72 could fly from New York to Los Angeles in under 30 minutes. Any target on Earth could be reached in less than 1 hour. This changes military planning entirely. Threats don't have time to escalate. They are dealt with immediately. Feature 3. Turbine-based combined cycle engine. The SR-72 uses a revolutionary combined engine system. It takes off using a traditional jet turbine, then transitions mid-flight into a scramjet, designed for hypersonic speeds. This seamless transition between engine modes is one of the hardest challenges in aerospace engineering, and mastering it is what makes the SR-72 possible. Feature 4. No aircraft or missile can intercept it. Modern air-to-air missiles and fighter jets top out far below Mach 6. By the time a threat is detected, the SR-72 is already gone. This aircraft does not rely on dogfighting, countermeasures, or escorts. Its defense is simple. Nothing can catch it. Feature 5. Speed as a new form of stealth. Traditional stealth aircraft try to avoid radar detection. The SR-72 takes a different approach. Even if detected, its extreme speed prevents tracking. Radars lose log, fire control solutions fail, and interception windows disappear. In this way, speed itself becomes the ultimate stealth technology. Feature 6. Hypersonic strike capability. Unlike the SR-71, which was strictly a reconnaissance platform, the SR-72 is designed to carry weapons. It can deploy hypersonic strike munitions, allowing it to hit high-value targets with devastating precision. This transforms the aircraft from a spy platform into a strategic strike asset. Feature 7. Zero warning precision attacks. At hypersonic speed, warning times shrink dramatically. Targets may be destroyed before detection systems can even react. There are no air raid sirens, no scramble orders, just impact. This capability fundamentally changes deterrence and response strategies. Feature 8. Near space flight altitude. The SR-72 is designed to operate at extreme altitudes near the edge of Earth's atmosphere. At these heights, air defenses struggle to function effectively. Combined with hypersonic speed, the aircraft becomes nearly untouchable. It flies above the battlefield, literally and strategically. Feature 9. Advanced heat-resistant materials. Flying at Mach 6 generates intense aerodynamic heating. Temperatures can exceed what conventional aircraft materials can survive. The SR-72 uses advanced composites, ceramics, and high-temperature alloys designed to withstand thousands of degrees. Without these materials, hypersonic flight would destroy the aircraft. Feature 10. AEI-assisted flight control systems. At hypersonic speed, human reflexes are not fast enough. Micro-adjustments must be made constantly to maintain stability. The SR-72 relies on artificial intelligence systems to assist with flight control, engine performance, and thermal management in real time. This allows safe operation in an environment no human could manage alone. Feature 11. Optional unmanned operation. The SR-72 may be flown with or without a pilot. For high-risk missions, it can operate autonomously, eliminating danger to human life. For complex missions, a pilot can remain in control. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of operations. Feature 12. Intelligence gathering faster than satellites. Satellites follow predictable orbits. Enemies know when they are coming. The SR-72 does not. It can collect intelligence on demand anywhere in the world without warning and return with data in a fraction of the time. Feature 13. Nearly impossible to track continuously, hypersonic speed creates enormous challenges for radar tracking. The SR-72 moves so fast that tracking systems struggle to calculate its position accurately. Locks are broken. Target solutions fail. This dramatically increases survivability in contested environments. Feature 14. Air-launched hypersonic missile platform. The SR-72 could act as a launch platform for hypersonic weapons. By releasing missiles at extreme speed and altitude, their range and effectiveness increase dramatically. This makes the SR-72 a force multiplier in future conflicts. Feature 15. Psychological deterrence. Sometimes the most powerful weapon is fear. The existence of an aircraft that can strike anywhere, anytime without warning, creates uncertainty among adversaries. Deterrence is achieved before conflict even begins. Feature 16. Defining the future of air dominance. The SR-72 represents a shift in military aviation philosophy, from stealth to speed, from avoidance to reaction denial, from detection to inevitability. It is not just an aircraft, it is a blueprint for the future. The SR-72, son of Blackbird, is more than a concept. It is a statement that in the future of warfare, speed decides everything.